Why should I create a course? The 2020 lockdown proved to thousands of creators online that one of the best ways to leverage your business or your blog or a YouTube channel is to actually sell your knowledge and your skills to an online audience through course creation. We've seen a humongous rise in the number of people who have been considering to create a course ever since the lockdown in March 2020 happened. This snowballed into momentum and took off rapidly. Since many businesses closed down, business owners have been seeking new ways to create an income. So many businesses and entrepreneurs choose to create an online course in order to expand their business. Some people simply want to create more income on the side, and others are skilled masters at their craft. So let me talk about one of the top 4 reasons that our customers are using Uteach to create an online course. Number 1, to scale and expand, which means by adding additional revenue to their income. 2, to increase customer success, by training customers the best way to use their service or product. Reason number 3, one of my personal favorite reasons actually, to free up time and resources that you previously used by running around to classrooms, building up webinars, doing one-on-one coaching. Reason number 4 is to leverage existing content such as a blog, a podcast, a YouTube channel, a very low-ticket ebook that you may have previously created for your audience, or even an Instagram info page that you may have been running. Here are 2 types of business examples that are using online courses to their own benefit. Exhibit A. Salni is a health and fitness blogger in the wellness industry, and she realized that by doing simply just one-on-one coaching was wasting too much of her time and it wasn't exactly scaling her income either. So she decides to create a course and teach her expertise and skills to her already engaged audience. Her course eventually skyrockets and even crosses over 6-7 figures. And this is a prime case for many bloggers, influencers, and digital entrepreneurs. Exhibit B. A very famous Instagram marketing platform wanted to train their customers to use the best of all their features. This wasn't really working out the way that they wanted it to, with a very small percentage rate of customer retention. So they too created some kind of an online course that they not only sold to their existing customers, but they also attracted newbies who were interested in this kind of course so that they too could register and become a part of their loyal tribe, and in the end everyone wound up happy. The customers, the followers, and of course this very popular Instagram marketing platform increased their retention rate by 300%. So these were just a few examples that showed that you should absolutely consider creating an online course today in order to not only skyrocket your income, but to also save up so much of your time and resources that you would technically use by one-on-one coaching or just running from classroom to classroom or hosting webinars. Chances are your potential audience and followers and customers are already very much interested in what you have to say and sell. So the minute that you do announce that you have some kind of course where you'll be teaching your expertise, they will be bound to purchase from you and of course can't wait to learn and be educated by you. I'm pretty sure you already even have the content kind of formed in your brain, and all that's left to do is get on your computer and start typing away. By the way, in a future video, we will be talking about how to create the perfect curriculum, so make sure you do subscribe to our channel to be notified of all upcoming videos. So our question for you today is, what is holding you back from creating a course? Or have you ever considered creating a course? Please let us know in the comments down below and we'd love to chat with you about it. If you are interested in course creation, e-learning, and digital entrepreneurship, please consider subscribing to our channel because we are creating a lot of videos based on those topics. And if this video was helpful, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up so we can show some love to our algorithm. And of course, hit the notification bell because we do upload new videos every Wednesday and Friday. I'm Sas from Uteach. Thank you very much for watching and we'll see you next time.